Hello everyone. Welcome dear students. Good morning to all. Standard 4 subject EVS. I hope you all are fit and healthy. Hope you all are studying properly. So today I'm going to start your EVS chapter 3. And the chapter name is A Day with Nandu. Do you know who is Nandu? Nandu is a baby elephant. Baby elephant નું નલ્લું બચ્ચું. I will show you some pictures of baby elephants. Okay, students? See, this is a baby elephant. So, I show you some pictures of baby elephants. So, let's start our chapter. See, first I'm going to read this chapter, then I will explain you. So open your book and concentrate and listen carefully. See, the first line is Nandu is a baby elephant. Who is Nandu? I told you Nandu is a baby elephant. He was sleeping. Nandu was sleeping. He woke up suddenly. Who woke up suddenly? Nandu woke up suddenly. Where was he? Nandu thinking, where I am? He was not sure. Nandu was not sure. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunk. He was nervous. Now Nandu woke up suddenly and he saw where is he? He seemed around a forest and Nandu was nervous. Oh, mother was there only. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. See the second paragraph. Nandu's Nani is the oldest in his herd of elephants. Do you know what is the meaning of herd? Herd meanings when the elephants are when the elephants living in a group, they are eating, they are walking, and they are living in a group. So that's called herd. Herd. I will show you the picture. Okay, let's see. See, this is called herd. In this picture, have elephants, baby elephants, mother elephants, and the oldest elephants also. So when the elephants and when the animals in a group, that is called herd. At noon, she trumpeted a loud sound and started moving toward the jungle. The other female elephant started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. Now all are going somewhere. So Nandu also going with them. So let's turn your page now. See in the picture all elephants are going somewhere. So we'll read where they are going. The herd. The herd reached the jungle where they reached in a jungle. All female elephants went to different place and started eating twigs and leaves of different tree. All the females elephants gone there and they started eating twigs and leaves. After eating, they moved toward the river. After they eat all these things and they move toward where they move toward the river. એ લોકો river side ગયા. The baby elephant enjoyed playing in water. Nandu's mother lay down in the water and mud. All the baby elephants are enjoying to play in a water. You also all the students also like to play in water. So baby elephants also like to play in water. And Nandu's mother શું કરતા હતા? He lay down in the water and mud. એ લોકો જ્યારે elephants લોકોને બહુ heat feel થાય, when they are feeling very heat, very hot, that time they enjoy to lay down in the water and mud. એ લોકોને માટીમાં અને વોટરમાં ઠંડક મળે એટલે એ લોકો ત્યાં lay down કરે, આરામ કરે. Okay, let's see this. Do you know, this is for your knowledge. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? This is for your knowledge. એક એડલ્ટ એલિફન્ટ 100 કિલોગ્રામ્સ 100 કિલોગ્રામ્સ એ લોકો ટ્વિંગ્સ ને લીવ્સ ખાઈ શકે એક દિવસમાં. એલિફન્ટ્સ do not rest very much. They are not taking rest, they are not taking much sleeping. They sleep only 2 or 4 hours in a day. એક દિવસમાં એ લોકો 2 થી 4 કલાક સૂવે. Elephants love to play with mud and water. Yes, they love to play with mud and water. Why they love to play with mud and water? Because in mud and water they are feeling cold. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fans. એ લોકોના ears જે હોય તે always their ears are moving like fans. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. એ લોકોને બોડીને ઠંડક લેવા માટે, એ લોકો બોડીને ઠંડક કરવા માટે એ લોકોને earsને મૂવ કર્યા કરે. Okay, now see, this is some find out question answer that I will explain you. Okay, after that I will give you the answer also. I will send you the answer. Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? Nandu is only 200 kilograms. Nandu only 3 months old હતો, પર એના weight કેટલા હતા? 200 kilograms. Can you imagine? So you have to write your weight here. My weight is dash kilogram. What is your weight? That you have to write. How many children like you will add up to find out Nandu's weight? નંદુસના વેટથી તમારા કેટલા બધા સ્ટુડન્ટના વેટ એડ કરવાથી એ નંદુના વેટ આવે. સો વેન ધ વેટ of 7 to 8 children like me, like you all students, is added, it will be equal to Nandu weights. જ્યારે આપણે 7 થી 8 આપણા બચ્ચાઓના સ્ટુડન્ટ લોકોના વેટ એડ કરીએ ત્યારે નંદુના વેટ ઇક્વલ થાય, like your students. Okay, I'm showing you the answer also. See, I wrote all the answer that you have to. Here you have to write first one. My weight is dash kilogram. So you have to write your weight. And then second, when the weight of 7 and 8 children like you all, that there you have to write like me is added, it will be equal to Nandu weights. So this you have to write in your textbook. Okay, students. Now turn your page. Now see here, in this page number 19, you see the picture. All the baby elephants are playing in water. Fun and games. Let's read it. Nandu was his brother and sister pulling one another tails. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? I am still small. He quaintly went and stood near his mother. Mother gently pushed Nandu toward the water as if she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousin. Nandu joined him in the game. Nandu was afraid. First, Nandu felt, I'm very small. I don't want to go in water. And in water નહીં જવું હતું. So that time his mother pushed him. Who pushed him? Nandu's mother pushed him. pushed Nandu, and he feel कि चलो ये water में जैसे he will play with enjoy with his cousin. So when he go inside, that he feels suddenly कि एक फाउंटेन, एक वॉटर ना एक फाउंटेन આવે છે એની ઉપર. That time Nandu's cousin, naughty cousin, he playing with Nandu. Okay, student, now turn your page, and I'm showing you some picture about where how they are enjoying in water. Okay, so see how elephants are enjoying in water, how they are playing. They like the water, they like to play in water and mud. See. Okay, now turn your page and come on page number 20. See, before sunset, the herd started back toward the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front leg and fell all asleep as he drank her milk. Now see, you have read about Nandu and the elephant herd. આપણે નંદુને નંદુના એલિફન્ટ હર્ડના માટે સમજ્યા. હર્ડ મીન્સ હિઝ ફેમિલી ઇઝ ગ્રુપ. A herd may have 10 to 12 females elephants and young ones. એક હર્ડમાં આપણા કેટલા 10 to 12 ફેમિલી હોય, એ લોકોને ફિમેલ એલિફન્ટ્સ હોય ને એમાં યંગ વન્સ બી હોય, બચ્ચાઓ બી હોય, યંગ બી હોય. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14-15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that much old. All the females elephants are in herd, but male females when they up to 14 15, they leave the herd, and they like to walk alone. એ લોકોને અલોન મેલ એલિફન્ટ્સ લોકોને અલોન વોક કરવાનો ગમે. સો દે લીવ વેન નંદુ, જ્યારે નંદુ બી એટલા વર્ષનું થઈ જશે, દેન he also leave this herd. Okay, so let's see the next. Like elephants, some other elephants also live together in group. These groups of animals are called herd. Animals is herd usually move around towards reaching the food. Like the elephants, all other elephants also moving, living together. Bija elephants like monkey and all other elephants also living in a herd. એ લોકો બી ગ્રુપમાં રહે. And reaching the food also, they are eating the foods and they are playing with together with their herd like elephants. Okay, students. So these are some question answer. I will explain you. Now you see the question is, if you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, what will you do? If you think you are a Nandu, you all know the story. So if you think you are a Nandu and you are in herd, what you will do? So તમે શું કરતે? If I were, you have to think. If you were, so here you have to write, if I were Nandu and lived in a herd, I would eat fresh leaves. નંદુ બી ફ્રેશ લીવ્સ ખાતો હતો. સો વી હેવ ટુ થિંક, ઇફ આપણે જો નંદુ હોઈએ ને હર્ડમાં રહીએ, ગ્રુપમાં રહીએ આપણી ફેમિલીના ફિમેલ્સના, તો આપણે શું કરીએ ને ફ્રેશ લીવ્સ ખાઈએ. એન્ડ ગો ટુ ધ ફોરેસ્ટ એન્ડ આઈ પ્લે વિથ માય ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. આઈ વુડ સ્પ્રે river water together and give them a bath. I enjoy myself in the way. એવી રીતે આપણે આપણા સેલ્ફને ગ્રુપના સાથે હર્ડના સાથે એન્જોય કરીએ. So these you have to write down. See the second one. In the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decide everything. Who take decision in your family? In a herd, the oldest female, जो જૂના ઓલ્ડ મોટા ફિમેલ્સ હોય, like their mothers, their granny, they are decided to what we have to do now, all the decision. So what about your family? તમારા ફેમિલીમાં કોણ ડિસિઝન લે? In my family, decisions are taken by the elders and my parents. આપણી ફેમિલીમાં આપણા all decision, ફેમિલીના ડિસિઝન કોણ લે? આપણા એલ્ડર્સ, આપણા મોટાઓ ને આપણા પેરેન્ટ્સ લે. Yes, it is right now. Yes, so turn your page now. C. The second one is Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend a whole day with your friends, what all things would you do? See the answer. If I spend, you have to think about Nandu and you have to write about yourself. So you have to write if I spend a whole day with my friend, then we would dance, sing and go to the forest to play games. I would go to the market with everyone, eat snacks together, આઈસ્ક્રીમ એન્ડ હેવ અ લોટ્સ ઓફ ફન. જો આપણે આપણી ફ્રેન્ડ્સ લોકોને સાથે રહીએ તો આપણે શું કરીએ? ડાન્સ કરીએ, સિંગ કરીએ, ફોરેસ્ટમાં જઈએ ને આપણે સ્નેક્સ ખાઈએ ટુગેધર એન્ડ ઇટ આઈસ્ક્રીમ એન્ડ ડુ લોટ્સ ઓફ ફન. આપણે બહુ મજા કરીએ. Now see the second one. Find out and write which other animals lives in herd. Like the elephant, which other animals are live in herds? I will tell you. Kites, bears, ants, fish, penguins, zebras, monkeys, deers, wolves, etc. animals lives in herds. These are some animals. They are all living in herds. એ લોકો આખું ગ્રુપમાં ઝુંડમાં આપણને દેખાઈ પડે. See the next one. Do you also live in a group? क्या તમે ગ્રુપમાં રહ્યો છો? Do you like to live together like that? Why would you like or not like to live in a group? જો તમે ગ્રુપમાં રહ્યો છો, ગ્રુપના વગર રહ્યો છો, તો what is the reason why you are living in a group? What is the benefit of group? And what is the why you don't want to live in a group? We have to discuss here. So let's see the first one. We feel love due to living in a group. જો આપણે ગ્રુપમાં રહીએ તો આપણે ગ્રુપમાં રહેવાનું આપણને ગમે. બટ વાય આઈ વુડ નોટ લાઇક. હવે જો આપણને નહીં રહેવું હોય તો આપણને શું રીઝન આપવું પડે? સમટાઇમ્સ વેસ્ટેડ ઇન અનલેસ ટોક ડ્યુ ટુ લિવિંગ ઇન અ ગ્રુપ. સમટાઈમ શું થાય, આપણે ગ્રુપમાં રહીને આપણા ટાઈમ આપણે વેસ્ટ કરીએ. લાઇક ઓલ યુ સ્ટુડન્ટ વેન યુ આર સિટિંગ ઇન અ ગ્રુપ, સમટાઈમ્સ યુ આર વેસ્ટિંગ યોર ટાઈમ. આપણે વેસ્ટ કરીએ આપણા ટાઈમ આપણે એકબીજા સાથે વાત કરીને. દેટ ટાઈમ વી વિલ યુઝ આ ટાઈમ ટુ આ સ્ટડી. એ ટાઈમ આપણે સ્ટડીમાં યુઝ કરી શકીએ. તો એવી રીતે આપણા અનલેસ ટોકિંગમાં માટે આપણે ગ્રુપમાં રહીને આપણે વેસ્ટ બી કરતા હોય ટાઈમ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ આ એના એક બેડ પોઈન્ટ છે. સી ધ સેકન્ડ વન. ફીલ ટુગેધરનેસ ઇન ગ્રુપ. આપણે ગ્રુપમાં રહીએ તો એક ટુગેધરનેસ લાગે, એકબીજાને હેલ્પ કરીએ, એકબીજા સાથે સપોર્ટ લઈએ. બટ જો આપણે ગ્રુપમાં નહીં રહીએ તો ઇન્ક્રીઝ વર્કલોડ. એક ગ્રુપમાં રહીએ તો શું થાય? અનવોન્ટેડ વર્કલોડ આપણા વધી જાય. સી ધ થર્ડ વન. પ્રોપર એન્ડ કરેક્ટ guidance easily get in a group. Yes, when we are living with together with our friends, with our family, togetherness, એક ગ્રુપમાં રહીએ ત્યારે આપણને શું મળે? કરેક્ટ ગાઈડન્સ મળે. આપણા પેરેન્ટ્સથી મળે, કોઈ આપણા સારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ હોય તો એ આપણને ગાઈડન્સ આપે જો આપણે ગ્રુપમાં રહીએ તો. ઓર જો આપણે ગ્રુપમાં નહીં રહીએ તો એના શું રીઝન છે? નોટ ટેકિંગ કેર ઓર રિસ્પેક્ટ ઇન અ ગ્રુપ. આપણે શું કરીએ? આપણા ગ્રુપમાં નહીં રહીએ તો આપણે રિસ્પેક્ટ નહીં કરીએ, આપણે કેર નહીં કરીએ. See the fourth one. We learn more to help each other. આપણે એકબીજાને હેલ્પ કરીને when we are living in a group, that time we learn more. આપણે બહુ વધારે શીખવાનું મળે, એકબીજા સાથે શેરિંગ મળે, એકબીજા સાથે સમજ મળે. Like you student, when you have some problem, you ask to your friend. આપણે ગ્રુપમાં છીએ તો આપણે આપણે ફ્રેન્ડ સાથે પૂછી શકીએ, મધર સાથે પૂછી શકીએ. જો આપણે ગ્રુપમાં નહીં રહીએ તો આપણને હેલ્પ નહીં મળે. Now see the fourth. Not possible to live independently. જો આપણે ગ્રુપમાં રહેતા હોય તો આપણને એકલામાં આપણને ડિપેન્ડ આપણે નહીં થાકી શકીએ, આપણને ફ્રીડમ નહીં મળે. Okay, it's like. So these are some benefits about why we would like to live in a group. These are some other benefit about when you are not living in a group. બેઉના અલગ અલગ બેનિફિટ છે. જો તમે ગ્રુપમાં રહો, જો તમે ગ્રુપમાં નહીં રહો, બેઉના બેનિફિટ છે. ઓકે, સો નાઉ ટર્ન યોર પેજ એન્ડ કમ ઓન અનધર પેજ. સી, these are some question. Which animals did you ride on? Write their names. બીજા એનિમલ્સ કયા છે જેમાં આપણે રાઇડ કરીએ? હોર્સ, એલિફેન્ટ્સ એન્ડ કેમલ. ધીઝ આર સમ animals. See the next question. If you are made to ride on elephants, how would you feel? આપણે એલિફન્ટ્સમાં રાઇડ કરીને કેવું ફીલ કરીએ? ઇફ આઈ હેવ ટુ રાઇડ એન એલિફન્ટ ઇટ વિલ give a great and unique experience. It will amazing to see how elephants are trained for rides. When we are sitting on elephants, when we are riding on with elephants, so it's a great and unique experience. એક આપણને અલગથી ફિલિંગ્સ એક એક્સપિરિયન્સ મળે ને એ બી જાણવાનું મળે કે હાઉ દે આર ટ્રેન્ડ. એ લોકો કેટલા ટ્રેન્ડ હોય કે આપણને રાઈડ પર લઈ જાય, મહાવત જે હોય તેને કહેવાથી બધું કામ કરે. દેટ્સ વી વિલ ટેક દેટ એક્સપિરિયન્સ. ઓકે, નાઉ સી ધ અનધર વન. You must have seen many animals around you in books, in movie. Some may be alone, some in a group. Find out more about any one of these animals and write about it. See, yes, I have seen tiger, lion, deer, zebra, elephants, etc. in movie and books. ઓર ઇન અ ઝૂ. આ બધા એનિમલ્સ આપણે બુક્સ, મૂવીઝ ને ઝૂમાં જોયેલા છે. બટ આઈ લાઇક ઝેબ્રા. આપણે અહીંયા ઝેબ્રાના માટે એક્સપ્લેન કરેલા છે બિકોઝ આઈ લાઇક ઝેબ્રા. સો ઇફ યુ લાઇક એલિફન્ટ, ઇફ યુ લાઇક લાયન, સો યુ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ 3 or 4 લાઇન અબાઉટ that particular animals. So see them. Zebras are social animals. Zebra શું હોય? એક social animal હોય, kind animal હોય. Second one, there are black and white strips on zebra back. That I like most કે એ લોકોનું બોડીમાં જે બ્લેક એન્ડ વ્હાઇટ કલરના સ્ટ્રીપ હોય ના, that's look so beautiful. Third, lifespan of zebra varies between 20 to 30 years. એ લોકો લાઈફ સ્પેન્ડ કરે 20 to 30 years. Fourth one is female zebra give birth to a baby zebra. ફિમેલ જો ઝેબ્રાઝ હોય એ લોકો એક બેબી બર્થ આપે બચ્ચાનો. 5 નંબર, ઝેબ્રા હાઇટ 3.5 to 5 feet. ઝેબ્રા લોકોનો હાઇટ કેટલા હોય? દે આર લુક વેરી ટોલ. 3.5 to 5 feet. એ લોકો થોડા ટોલ આપણને દેખાઈ પડે. ઓકે, 5 feet સુધી હોય. નાઉ ટર્ન યોર પેજ. Why does the egret sit on buffalo? Do you know what is the meaning of egret? Egret is, it's called egret or egret. Both you can do the pronunciation. Egret, egret मतलब बगुला. Egret भी તમે એને બોલો, egret भी બોલો. So egret sitting on a buffalo fill, to feed insect and bugs stick on its skin. બફેલોનો બોડીમાં જે ઇન્સેક્ટ એન્ડ બગ્સ મતલબ એ લોકોનું બોડીમાં એક લીચ જેવું આવે તે સ્ટીક હોય, દેટ ધ egret and egret wants like to eat. So that's why they are sitting on the buffalo. See, I will show you the picture. See, this is called egret or egret. Both our pronunciation are right. So okay, so ane bagula bolay. So see the picture. Okay, they like to sit on buffalo because they feed the insect and bugs. જે એના બોડીમાં હોય ઇન્સેક્ટ હોય ને બગ્સ હોય એને ખાવાનું મળે એટલા માટે. See, have you seen any animals riding on another animals? Write its name. The animals which is riding: crow, sparrow, manna, etc. These are animals riding on the buffalo. Buffalo ને કાઉના ઉપર એ લોકો રાઈડ કરે. The animals which give the ride, yes, cow, buffalo, ox, these are animals જે એ લોકોને રાઈડ આપે. See the next one. Which animals do we use for riding? આપણે રાઇડિંગના માટે કયા એનિમલ્સ યુઝ કરીએ? We use animals like elephants, camels, horse, etc. for riding. Okay. See the next. Which animals do we use for carrying loads and lifting weights? Yes, donkey, oxen, elephants, camels, horses and buffaloes, etc. animals are carrying loads. These are some animals જે લોકો load carry કરે. See, make your own elephant. Copy the drawing of elephants given in the next page in a bigger size on a thick stick of paper. Make a small cut where it say cut and picture and carefully not cut off the out food along dotted. Yes, these are some patterns given on the another page and that you have to make and draw an elephant. See, I will show you the picture. See, this you have to make. Okay. So this is the picture of elephant. Your elephant is ready. Color and decorate it. આ બધા રેડી છે ને કટ કરીને ને પછી આપણે કલર કરીને ડેકોરેટ કરવાનું. So this is your homework. This you have to do your own. Okay students. Thank you.